Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing The Box by Fashionsta. This is a $24.99 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 full-size products. This tends to be a more sort of natural, clean, cruelty-free, vegan sort of box. That's been my experience so far with it. I have been really enjoying it. I like this box so much. If you haven't tried it, I definitely highly suggest it. It's been probably my favorite subscription that I've been getting right now. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so for any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have that displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the value of the item, and at the end we'll add it all up and see if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and open up the box. See what I did there? It's the box. We're going to open up the box. Alright, so once you have it opened, looks like this little card right here. We'll have the theme, which is Kindred Kindness. That's the theme for the month. This month we are getting 5 items. It looks like the average is 6. That's typically what I get. I've gotten a couple boxes where I've gotten 7. I don't think I've ever had one where I've gotten only 5. So this is the first time for that. All right, let's just go ahead and start pulling stuff out of here. All right, so the first thing right on top, this is from Jubel Naturals. I've never heard of this brand. This is an intensive repair cream in pink grapefruit. It does say it is natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Here's the packaging. Really cute and simple. I like that quite a bit. Trying to figure out if this is like a hand lotion or what exactly this is. Okay, so it tells me all the things it does, but it's not telling me like if it's just like for your face or for your body or what. Okay, so I think this is a body lotion. I'm not going to be using this. I am super sensitive to fragrance, and I can use it like on my hands and like there, but anything on my body like will totally give me hives, and then I will have to take an allergy pill. So I'm not going to use that. I would like to though, because I really like the scent of grapefruit, but I'm going to pass on this one. The value on this is $12, which I don't think is a terrible price for a lotion. I mean, it is a little bit on the smaller side, but I don't think that is like too overpriced. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out is called Quick Slick. This is from INH. Insert name here, I guess is the name of the brand. There's the packaging, pretty nice. This is a hair essence, which I'm not sure exactly what that means. Okay, so here's the inner component. It is also, again, wrapped in plastic, so I'm going to read the card right here. It says, quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps. Non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways. It's a light peach scent, and it is cruelty-free, so that's good. I do typically use like an oil for flyaways. Sometimes I use a wax. It just depends on what day of hair we're on. If it's like day 1, it's an oil. If it's day 5, it's not going to be oil, but I'm curious to see what the peach smells like. Oh, okay, so this is like really cool. It's a like mascara wand in here, and you just like put it through the top of your hair. It doesn't, I mean, I smell something. I wouldn't say it's peach. It just kind of smells like nothing, like not nothing, but it's not peachy. It's not fruity to me, but I'm curious to give that a go. That's very interesting to me. The value on this is $22. I don't think that's too overpriced. Oils tend to be kind of expensive, so I'm not surprised to see that this is $22. All right, so this next thing I'm pulling out is something I'm definitely going to be passing on. These are some lashes. And let me show you the lash. They are giant. There's the one. The other one's on the back side there. This is from Base Blue, and these are called the Swift Lash. How do you open this up? Oh, there we go. This is just giant. Like, here's my eye. These are big. I'm not a lash person, and definitely not a super long lash person, so these are going to be passed for me. They are cruelty-free, and the value is $11. I don't think that's too bad of a price for a lash, personally. I think. I'm not a lash person, so. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from State of Kind. Never tried this brand. This is the Kindly Restore Sleep Concentrate. I don't know what that means, so let's take it out of the package and see exactly what we're dealing with. Okay, so here's the inner packaging. It's like almost like a ceramic, I'd say. I really like the packaging on that. So it's like some sort of face product. It says, this multitasking sleep concentrate is formulated to deeply nourish, repair, and hydrate skin overnight, leave skin supple, fortified, and hydrated. So I'm guessing it's like a serum, if I had to guess. It is a pump form, which, love that. Oh, it's a cream. It's like green, like a pistachio green. I don't know if it's fragranced or if that's just the way it smells. It smells a little, like it has a scent to it, like not a bad scent, but a very light, clean scent. Yeah, I definitely will give that a go. Really, really like the packaging on that. Sorry, I forgot to mention this is valued at $65, which seems a little bit expensive for a night cream, especially like this is kind of small. But I think it's because it's like the sustainable packaging sort of deal. Like that's probably adding to the price of this, and I don't mind paying extra for something like that. All right, last item in here. This is from Copycat Cosmetics. I've never tried this brand or heard of it. This is something called Shocked. I assume it's some sort of palette. Copycat Cosmetics makes me think that they are trying to copy some other palette. So let's see what this looks like. And I probably won't be able to figure out what palette they're copying, but maybe we can look it up. Okay, so there it is. And I don't know what this is supposed to be, so I'm gonna look it up real quick. Okay, so I can't quite figure out what this is supposed to be. I saw something that said maybe it's one of the Huda like 9-pan palette copies. That being said, I'm not going to use this. This is just something I cannot create a look with. It's just not my vibe, not my style. So this is going to be a pass for me. It is really nice, and I feel like it's really good like summer sort of palette, but it's kind of weird. I guess not weird to get in October. I guess you could use this like maybe for Halloween. But that's not my vibe. The only color I was really drawn to in there was the yellow. It's almost like a golden sort of yellow there. It looks more yellow on camera, but it is almost like a golden yellow. But I just don't wear yellow eyeshadow, so even though I like that and I'm sort of drawn to that, I'm not going to use that. It is cruelty free, however, and it's valued at $27, which I don't know. It also says it's from Crown, which it says Copycat Cosmetics on the front here, but the card here says it's from Crown Brush, and I don't think Crown makes very good eyeshadows personally. I mean, it could be wrong, this could be totally different, but from my experience, the ones I've tried, I wasn't really the biggest fan of them. So that's everything from this box. The total value is $137, which is a good value when you're paying like 25 bucks for a box. This wasn't my favorite box from them, personally. I'm only going to use 2 things out of the 5. I'm not going to use the lotion because it's fragranced and I just can't do that. The palette I'm not going to use because it's just not my style. And the lashes I am not going to use because I'm not a lash wearer, and especially not a big giant lash like this. However, again, I think these are really good for Halloween. I will use the nighttime face cream. I think this is like just really cool. Like again, the packaging is really drawing me in. And I'm curious to try the hair oil. So with those things together, so what, 22 and 65, so that's more than I paid, you know, for the entire box. So that's good that I'm at least getting value for the things I am going to use. But this is like the most disappointed I've ever been in this box. Like it really is my favorite box, but this month is just not hitting all the marks for me, and that's okay. That's just, you know, sort of the gamble you take when you get a subscription box. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.